Hello, welcome back to Inkscape, and in this part I'm going to explain about fill and stroke in Inkscape. So what is fill and stroke? It is the color of an object. So let's create an object. If you want to edit the color of the object, you have to first go to Object and then click Fill and Stroke, or you can also use the shortcut Shift-Control-F. Wait for a while and you will see this window on the right side. And here you can see there are several options: fill, stroke paint, and stroke style. What is fill? Fill is the color inside the object, while stroke paint is the color of the outline of the object. And stroke style, you can adjust the width of the outline here. So let's first see fill. Here you can see several types of color. The first one is flat color, and then linear gradient, radial gradient, and so on. But I usually use these three. So flat color means that you will fill the object with only one color, like this. Linear gradient means you will fill the object with two colors or more. And radial gradient is just the same, but the center is here. And there are also several ways to select the colors: RGB, HSL, CMYK, wheel, and CMS, but I usually use wheel because it is easier. And after you click wheel, you will see this panel, and you can select the color from the wheel and then adjust the darkness from the triangle, a little circle inside the triangle. So this is all for this part. See you on the next tutorial.